possible script. How Saskatchewan farmers are adapting to the challenges of climate change, soil health, and pest management in their seeding operations. Saskatchewan is a province with a rich agricultural heritage and a strong spirit of innovation. But it is also a province that faces many challenges in its farming sector, such as climate change, soil degradation, and pest infestation. How are Saskatchewan farmers coping with these issues and ensuring a productive and sustainable seeding season? One of the key strategies that Saskatchewan farmers are using is adjusting their seeding dates to optimize their crop growth and yield. Seeding dates are crucial for wheat cultivation, as they affect the timing of important stages such as heading and ripening. Seeding too early can expose the crops to frost damage, while seeding too late can reduce the grain quality and quantity. According to a study by the University of Saskatchewan, the optimal seeding dates for spring wheat in Saskatchewan range from April 20th to May 10th, depending on the region and the variety. But with climate change affecting the weather patterns and soil conditions, these optimal dates may change in the future. That's why some farmers are experimenting with different seeding methods and technologies to adapt to the changing environment. For example, some farmers are using direct seeding or no-till practices, which involve planting seeds directly into the soil without disturbing it. This can help conserve soil moisture, reduce erosion, and increase organic matter. Other farmers are using precision agriculture tools, such as GPS-guided seeders, variable rate technology, and soil sensors, to tailor their seeding rates and depths according to the soil characteristics and crop needs. Another challenge that Saskatchewan farmers face is maintaining soil health and fertility. Soil health is vital for crop production, as it affects the availability of nutrients, water, and oxygen for plant growth. Soil health can be measured by various indicators, such as organic matter content, pH level, microbial activity, and aggregate stability. However, soil health is not only influenced by natural factors, but also by human activities, such as tillage, fertilization, irrigation, and crop rotation. Therefore, farmers need to adopt practices that enhance soil health and prevent its degradation. One of the practices that can improve soil health is using cover crops or green manures. Cover crops are plants that are grown between cash crops to protect the soil from erosion, suppress weeds, fix nitrogen, and add organic matter. Green manures are cover crops that are plowed into the soil before planting the next crop to provide nutrients and improve soil structure. Some examples of cover crops or green manures that are used in Saskatchewan are legumes, such as peas, lentils, clovers, cereals, such as oats, barley, rye, brassicas, such as canola, mustard, and grasses, such as alfalfa. Another practice that can enhance soil health is using biochar or biofertilizers. Biochar is a type of charcoal that is produced by heating organic materials, such as crop residues, in a low-oxygen environment. Biochar can be applied to the soil to increase its water-holding capacity, nutrient retention, microbial activity, and carbon sequestration. Biofertilizers are living organisms, such as bacteria or fungi, that can enhance plant growth by fixing nitrogen, solubilizing phosphorus, or producing plant hormones. Biochar and biofertilizers can be used together or separately to improve soil fertility and crop yield. A third challenge that Saskatchewan farmers face is managing pests and diseases that can damage their crops. Pests and diseases can reduce crop quality and quantity by feeding on plant tissues, transmitting pathogens, or producing toxins. Some of the common pests and diseases that affect wheat in Saskatchewan are wheat midge, Cytodiplosis mozzolana, wheat stem sawfly, Cephas cinctus, Fusarium head blight, Fusarium graminearum, leaf rust, Puccinia triticina, and stripe rust, Puccinia striiformis. To control pests and diseases effectively, farmers need to use an integrated pest management (IPM) approach that combines various methods such as cultural practices, such as crop rotation, biological control, such as natural enemies, mechanical control, such as traps, chemical control, such as pesticides, and genetic control, such as resistant varieties. IPM aims to reduce pest populations below economic thresholds while minimizing environmental impacts. Saskatchewan farmers are also exploring new ways of preventing or reducing pest damage by using novel products or techniques. For example, some farmers are using pheromones or semiochemicals to disrupt pest mating behavior or attract natural enemies. Other farmers are using biopesticides or biostimulants to enhance plant resistance or tolerance to pests or stressors. These products are derived from natural sources such as plants or microorganisms. As you can see, Saskatchewan farmers are not only facing challenges, but also finding solutions in their seeding operations. They are adapting to climate change by adjusting their seeding dates and methods. They are improving soil health by using cover crops or green manures, biochar, or biofertilizers. And they are managing pests and diseases by using IPM strategies and novel products or techniques. By doing so, they are demonstrating their resilience and innovation in a changing world. Saskatchewan farmers are not only seeding faster than ever, but they are also contributing to the local and global food security and economy through their seeding activities. Here are some of the ways they are doing that. Saskatchewan farmers are producing a variety of crops that are in high demand around the world, such as wheat, lentils, peas, durum, oats, canola oil, mustard seed, and canary seed. These crops are used for human consumption, animal feed, and biofuel production. Saskatchewan is the world's largest exporter of many of these crops. Saskatchewan farmers are adopting sustainable agricultural practices that reduce greenhouse gas emissions and conserve soil and water resources. For example, they use zero-till farming, a technique that minimizes soil disturbance and keeps more carbon in the ground. In 2020, some 12.8 million tons of carbon were sequestered by Saskatchewan farmers through zero-till production practices, the equivalent to taking 2.78 million cars off the road for a year. Saskatchewan's net carbon footprint for canola and wheat production is almost 60% lower than its global competitors. Saskatchewan farmers are investing in innovation and technology to improve their productivity and efficiency. They use precision agriculture tools such as GPS, drones, and sensors to monitor crop growth and health, apply fertilizers and pesticides more accurately, and reduce waste. They also benefit from cutting-edge research and development in plant-based protein, genomics, and seed varieties conducted by institutions such as Protein Industries Canada and the Global Institutes for Food and Water Security. Saskatchewan farmers are supporting the growth and diversification of the province's economy by creating jobs and attracting investment. Agriculture plays a key role in the plan for Saskatchewan's economy, which places priority on diversifying the province's international markets, increasing exports, and seeing companies explore investment opportunities in processing. Several international plant protein processors have expanded their operations in Saskatchewan in recent years, such as Ingredion, Cargill, Viterra, and Federated Cooperative Limited. These facilities add value to the raw crops produced by Saskatchewan farmers and create more employment opportunities for local workers. Saskatchewan farmers are helping to address the food security crisis that affects millions of people around the world. By producing safe, high-quality, and sustainably produced agricultural products, they are providing nutritious food for people who suffer from hunger and malnutrition. They are also sharing their knowledge and expertise with other countries that face similar challenges such as climate change, population growth, and food insecurity. Saskatchewan farmers are seeding faster than ever because they have a vision for the future of agriculture that is based on innovation, sustainability, and collaboration. They are proud to be part of a province that has a rich agricultural history of helping to feed the world.